Tutorial number 1. Block types. The program is able to generate and analyze various types of blocks. Each block is a combination of several joints and a free surface. The blocks can also be back-truncated by a tension crack, defined as a fracture that doesn't intersect the free surface, a fracture that opens during the potential motion of the block. According to the free surface type, there are 4 block types: face blocks, bench blocks, convex corner blocks, concave corner blocks. Open the job file tutorial number 1. The job is made up of 5 situations. The first is of type face blocks, the second and third are of type bench blocks, the fourth and fifth are of type corner blocks. Launch the calculation of the job. Face blocks. Select the situation number 1. A face block can form by the intersection of a single free surface, the slope. And at least 3 joints. In the situation 1, the program generates the removable face blocks deriving from all the possible combinations of 4 joint sets and a tension crack. That is 26 removable face blocks. Four of them are the simplest face blocks, formed by the intersection of 3 joints and the slope. Four of them are their tension cracked version. Nine of them are more complex face blocks, formed by the intersection of 4 joints and the slope. Nine of them are their tension cracked version. Bench blocks. Select the situation number 2. A bench block can form by the intersection of a double free surface, the slope and the bench. And at least 2 joints. In the situation 2, the program generates the removable bench blocks deriving from all the possible combinations of 4 joint sets and a tension crack. That is, 20 removable bench blocks. Three of them are the simplest bench blocks, formed by the intersection of 2 joints, the slope and the bench. Three of them are their tension-cracked version. Seven of them are more complex bench blocks, formed by the intersection of 3 joints, the slope and the bench. Seven of them are their tension-cracked version. A special 3 joints bench block is their ideal planar sliding block, equivalent to a 2D planar sliding. Sial.tec the situation number 3 for that. Only 2 joint sets are needed to form such a block, one of them being repeated twice. Corner blocks, convex slope face. Select the situation number 4. A convex corner block can form by the intersection of a triple free surface, 2 adjacent slopes plus the bench. And 1, 2 or 3 joints. The slope's convexity is visible on the stereo nets, where the rock mass is the shaded area. In the situation 4, the program generates the removable corner convex blocks, deriving from all the possible combinations of 4 joint sets, and a tension crack. That is, 33 removable convex corner blocks. One of them is the simplest convex corner block, formed by the intersection of one joint with the slope and the bench. Nine of them are convex corner blocks, formed by the intersection of two joints with the slope and the bench. Four of them are their tension-cracked version. Note, the blocks number 2, number 3, number 4, number 9 and number 14 haven't a tension-cracked version, because it isn't geometrically possible. Twelve of them are more complex convex corner blocks, formed by the intersection of three joints with the slope and the bench. Seven of them are their tension-cracked version. Corner blocks, concave slope face. Select the situation number 5. A concave corner block can form by the intersection of a triple free surface, two adjacent slopes plus the bench. With 2 or 3 joints. The slope's concavity is visible on the stereo nets, where the rock mass is the shaded area. In this situation, the program generates the removable concave corner blocks, deriving from all the possible combinations of 4 joint sets, and a tension crack. That is, 28 removable, concave, corner blocks. Three of them are the simplest concave corner blocks, formed by the intersection of two joints with the free surface. 3 of them are their tension-cracked version. 11 of them are more complex concave corner blocks, formed by the intersection of 3 joints with the free surface. Eleven of them are their tension-cracked version.